Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable contact join Telegram notifications. So actually this is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So these notifications can be very annoying, and to disable them we need to first of all open the Telegram, and now we need to go to our profile, clicking on the settings button in the bottom side of the screen. Now, as we are on our profile, we need to scroll down just a little until we will find notifications and sounds with a little ring icon and click on it. Now we need to simply scroll down just a little bit until we'll find new contacts option, and basically it says we will receive push notifications when one of your contacts becomes available on Telegram. So when someone signs up to Telegram, you will receive a notification about it, and if you don't want to see such notifications, you need to simply turn off this option. And basically that is it. That is how we can disable contact join Telegram notifications. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.